Genome Valley is celebrating 25th year this year. In the 25 years, Genome Valley has grown 25 times. I can tell you very clearly. So we celebrate. We were in Genome Valley for the last 20 years, and the growth we have seen in Genome Valley is remarkable. That was because of the good government and also good governance, and also the availability of talent within this region attracted so many people. As Minister said, we have 30,000 scientists in Genome Valley. You name any company in India, they have a R&D there. You name most of the global companies have also presence there. So, in my opinion, the new modalities like flow chemistry, biocatalysis, fermentation, cell and gene therapy, India can put, and Hyderabad especially, can take lead in these modalities. Instead of following, we can have the ability to lead. That means if you have to lead, you have to choose the recent advances in science. We can't take the very old chemistry and try to do that. So if companies focus on cell therapy, gene therapy, drug conjugates, biology, flow chemistry, I'm sure Hyderabad companies and companies based out of Genome Valley can lead the space.